In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit link hover in Framer. First, open your Framer project and navigate to the page where your link lives. In the popular domain project, the link is already visible on the canvas. Click the highlighted link element to select it. You'll know it's selected when the right-hand sidebar updates to show its properties. Now move to the right sidebar and open the Style panel. Look for the Link section. Click it to reveal the link styling controls. If you see another link entry inside, click that as well to drill into the specific link style you're using. Next, choose Edit. This opens the editor where you can customize how your link looks, including its hover appearance. Let's start with Color. Open the Color control and choose the text color you want to appear on hover. Pick something with clear contrast against your background so the change is obvious and accessible. A slightly darker or brand accent color often works well. You'll see the preview update as you choose. Next, adjust decoration. This is where you can toggle or style the underline. Enabling an underline on hover is a reliable cue for interactivity. If your base link is already underlined, try removing it on hover and pairing that with a color shift for a clean, intentional feel. Now add some visual depth with Fill. Open the Fill control to set a background behind the text for the hover state. A very light tint of your brand color can create a subtle chip effect. Keep opacity modest so it feels like feedback, not a button overhaul, unless that's the goal. Refine the shape with radius. Increasing the radius will soften the corners of that hover background. For an even smoother look, switch the corner style to Squircle. Select Squircle in the Corner Style menu. If you have a second corner control visible, apply Squircle there as well so both controls match and the shape remains consistent across all corners. Take a quick look back through Color, Decoration, Fill, and Radius to make sure the combination feels intentional, readable, and aligned with your brand. Small changes can make a big difference, so don't hesitate to nudge values until the hover feels crisp and responsive. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. This pushes your updated link hover styling live so visitors immediately experience the improved interaction. And that's it. Your Framer link now delivers clear, polished hover feedback that improves usability and elevates your design.